Namaskar. I am Dr. Nalini Avinash Vakmare, working as Associate Professor at Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth. Today's our topic is related to Swami Vivekananda's works for humanity. Like a research paper, I have prepared this lecture. So, aims and objective when you study any social reformer, you have to study his brief life sketch, which were the sources you have to uh, refer for writing the any article or dissertation or any uh, book on that. So here also, when we study detail study in 19th century, date of birth is January 12th, 1863 in Calcutta. And his parents Vishwanath Datta, father and Bhuneshwari Devi, mother. His education qualification Calcutta Metropolitan School, Presidency College Calcutta also. Institutions where the Swami Vivekanand's related Ramakrishna Math, even Ramakrishna Vivedanta Society of New York also. Religious views when we study detail related to Swami Vivekananda is propagating of Hinduism and philosophies Advaita, Vedanta. Publications related to Swami Vivekananda, Karma Yoga in 1896, then Raj Yoga 1896, lectures from Columbia to Almora in 1897, My Master in 1901, and his death is 1902 in Bengal, Beluru Math, West Bengal. So this is the brief information when the new students or any researcher wanted to know the more about Swami Vivekananda, we have to refer to his autobiographies, his history, lectures, letters, writing both prose and poetry, and conversation with other people, even some translation work and reference books. We have to refer for more this. And Vivekananda, all writings and documents of Vivekananda in many languages also available. We can also refer those things. Along with, we also refer the uh, institutions where Swami Vivekananda visited at the in past. Also visit the Ramakrishna Math in India and other places, even in Kanyakumari also. So when we study the 19th century, that time we find that parallel other institutions trying to reform the society. Raja Ram Mohan Rai's Brahma Samaj, Pratana Samaj, Atmaram Pandurang, then Swami Dayanand Saraswati's Arya Samaj, then Mahatma Phule Satyashodhak Samaj, then Swami Vivekanand Ramakrishna Mission, then Madam Annie Besant and others, Theosophical Society. Then social reform movement started in 19th century. The same circumstance impact. What were the reasons to start the social reform movement? The basic is the modern education, a rational humanitarian scientific approach towards life, both in acting and reaction. And social reform movement started in 19th century. Ram Mohan Rai, pioneer in modern religious reform movement in India, was also the morning star of the modern social reform movement in the country. Thus, social reform became an integral part of religious reform in India. And this was equally true of Brahma Samaj, Pratana Samaj, Arya Samaj, and Satyashodhak Samaj. Along this institutional, the Ramakrishna Mission is also one of it. Basic, what was the reasons to start this movement under the social reform movements in India have aimed to uprooting social evils and inculcating in men and women the spirit of sacrifice for general good of the society. The first and foremost social problem that attracted enlightened opinion was the need for a better deal for women in society, in the abolition of the cruel rights of Satya and infanticide, in the condemnation of child marriage and polygamy, and popularization of widow remarriage, in the abolition of parda, in provision of educational facilities for women, and economic openings to make them self-supporting, and finally an equal share for women in the political life of the country by enfranchisement. Another social evil that was a major concern of the English educated and Hindu intelligentsia was the caste restriction in Hindu society and the degrading position of the lower caste, especially the untouchables. Then already mentioned the many social religious reform movements started in 19th century. The uh, Swami Vivekananda Ramakrishna Mission, which remove the social evils such as sati system, parda system, untouchability, ban on widow remarriage, remove the ban on widow remarriage, and host of other evil practices were leading to human degradation and establishing humanity, brotherhood, equality, unity among the Indians. Then social reform movement's main intention is to ban the sati system, open education to all, upliftment of women and Dalits, remove the social evils, liberty, equality, brotherhood, and build the uh, unity among the people and nationalism. Naturally, humanity concept is the basic things among this. Then that time the condition of social condition was not equal, not favorable to women, and they are considered as a secondary status in the society, and many restrictions on women to participate in the socio-economic, religious, and political activities. Then Swami Vivekananda, still Hindu society, at that time also still a Hindu society divided into many caste and class. Rigid caste system is also there. Untouchability practice in the society. Women considered as a secondary status and rigid religious practices found in the society. Then social evils also existed. And then we find the Swami Vivekananda's views on caste system. Vivekananda grew against injustice and said in religion there is no caste. Caste is simply a social institution. Hence, he hence earnestly wanted that the caste system should be enabled. The caste system determined by birth and connected with hereditary privileges is completely opposite to Vedanta, and especially the Jati system and with its social and religious exclusions should be overcome. Then emancipation of women. Vivekananda's views on women is also, Vivekananda also treated a woman as goddess. Accept your mother as a goddess is a famous Vedic saying. Even the monks were required to pay obeisance to their mothers. Again, Vivekananda says, educated your women first and leave them to themselves. Then they will tell you what reforms are necessary for them. With such an education, women will solve their own problem. Then ethics in one's life. Then upliftment of untouchables. Vivekananda denounced the untouchability. Vivekananda was a socialist because he championed the concept of equal chance for all the inhabitants of the country. Vivekananda heroically championed the concept of spiritual equality. He said, thus you will confer the greatest blessing on the masses, unshakable their bondages, and uplift the whole nation. Swami Vivekananda's views on work said that do not fly away from the wheels of the world machine, but stand inside it and learn the secret of work, and that is the way of karma yoga. The karma produced by the action does not bind him. Even after attaining peace of mind and freedom, still you have to work for the good of the others. Work incessantly, but be not attached to it, because to work we have the right, but not to the goods. Give importance to work with dedication. Any work you do with dedication. When you are doing any work, do it as worship, as the highest worship, and devote your whole life to it for the time being, as stated by Swami Vivekananda in one of his writings. Then how to employ words. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts lie. They travel far. So words should be good work. Then Swami Vivekananda on religious reformation. Vivekananda wanted every man to understand glory of the Atma or Brahma which resides in one and all. What he desired among the Indians was a harmonious development of physical, mental, intellectual, as well as spiritual character. He believed that religion, the lifeblood of the nation, should be purified and reformed with a view to making it strong enough to solve all the national problems. Then we believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true. Swami Vivekananda, it was stated views on religion. Then Ramakrishna Murthy, Shivatnyana and Jiva Shiva. With the blessings and guidance of his great guru, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda brought together his fellow monks and disciplines and established a great organization called Ramakrishna Math, or we call it as a Ramakrishna Mission, with the motto Atmano Mokshartham, Jagat Vidya Cha. Then quotation, we are responsible for what we are, and whatever we wish ourselves to be, we have the power to make ourselves. If what we are now has been result of our own past actions, it certainly follows that whatever we wish to be in future can be produced by our present action. So we have to know how to act. Very highly inspiration, quotation to beat our future. Then Ramakrishna Math, first at Vellore, West Bengal, established in 1897, to maintain the spiritual vigor of the nation with the monks and devotees living intense spiritual lives, to practice japa, meditation, and other mental disciplines, to promote spiritual knowledge through studies, discourses, and personal, etc., to serve in different parts of India and thereby bring about social and cultural unity and national integration. Worship of God in human form. Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission with the motto Atmano Mokshadam Jagadnitya. Service to the society is the main thing. Daritra Narayana to indicate that service to poor is service to God. More than 200 branches centers all over the India and world. Ramakrishna Math's branches we find in India. Then Belur Math is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission and its logo. Then service to society. The Math is running schools and colleges, hostels for students, dispensaries, hospitals, medical camps, rural welfare activities, relief and rehabilitation activities during the natural or man-made calamities like famine, floods, earthquakes, rains, fire disasters, cyclone, etc. time, Ramakrishna Math wholeheartedly service the society. Service to society when we visited to in Pune, we find that one. Then Swamiji's inspiration for youth. Swami Vivekananda exhorted youth to arise, awake, and stop until not till the goal is reached. There was huge power in his words that many freedom fighters and revolutionaries took inspiration from Swamiji and devoted their entire life, even sacrificed for it, for the freedom of the motherland. The message of universal brotherhood, tolerance, and humanity that he gave to the world still reverberates with great relevance. Swami Vivekananda Jayanti also found in Karnataka and other parts of India also. Then Swami Vivekananda thoughts about life, strength is life, weakness is strength. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, spiritually, reject as poison. Then humanity purpose arise, awake, and stop until not until the goal is reached. This inspired the many Indians and abroad people, and till today also they follow these thoughts which taught by the Swami Vivekananda in his lifetime. Then some pilgrimage places are there in Kanyakumari and other places. Then National Yuva Divas of Swami Vivekananda birthday is celebrated with the great joy and enthusiasm in India every year on 12th of January. It is celebrated to commemorate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, maker of the modern India. It was the first declared by the Government of India in the year of 1984 to celebrate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as the National Youth Day. Then on the name of Swami Vivekananda, some stands also released by Government of India. Then we find today also how the Swami Vivekananda uh, Ramakrishna mission work till today. Ramakrishna preached the unity of all religions. The Ramakrishna mission was founded by his great disciples Vivekananda. He was a kind of bridge between the past and present. Today, Ramakrishna Math is able to spread its spiritual message all over the world, and millions of people have accepted Sri Ramakrishna and Ramakrishna Math and the mission. Their thoughts regarding compulsory education to all are most important today for India to reach the status of a developed country in the world. Women education is also relevant to solve many social problems and progress of a nation. Upliftment of untouchables is necessary for solving many socio-economic problems of a nation. Equality, liberty, and fraternity, which are the principles mentioned in our Indian Constitution, are applicable only when untouchability is eradicated from the society. Practice what they preached. So gave equal opportunity to one and all without concern caste, class, sex, and community. Swami Vivekananda's thoughts are more relevant to build a strong and powerful India. Welfare of all is a motto of Vivekananda, which is applicable to contemporary India. Vivekananda thoughts, words, philosophy, and principles are more helpful to Indians to become a superpower in the world. So, influence of Indians, Vivekananda's life and works have influenced many scholars, writers, politicians, all worldwide. Love for nation, unity and brotherhood, proud about Indian culture, modern humanity, serve mankind, great patriot and great source of inspiration to the Indian youth. So we, along with our student, visited to Ramakrishna. I, along with my student, visited to Ramakrishna Mission. Then this is also many student refer. So these are the few reference books you can refer for more detailed study about the Swami Vivekananda.